How to turn on or turn off reminder alerts sound on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. After that, we go down and tap on Reminder Alerts. From here, you can select a sound. To turn it off, you select None. So choose None if you want to turn off Reminder Alerts sound. Otherwise, you can select one of the available sounds in the list. So that is how you can turn it on or turn it off for reminder alerts. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.